Okay, this is my idea how to accelerate the speed of light. First off, this experiment should be conducted in outer space at a Lagrange point where there be negligible forces acting upon the system from gravity. It'll be conducted in a vacuum. Won't be any air friction. Pretty much a frictionless environment. So I think that if you were to create a system, a spherical system, and have two, three, four, five, it doesn't matter, wings fixed to the sphere, you could then place I don't know what to call them, like a like a cubed system around or outside the sphere, and fix solar panels facing towards the sun and shooting a laser towards the little wing structures, and thus producing acceleration. The mechanics of the system will have to be ironed out, but in theory, as long as you're following along with what I'm proposing, should work out. Anyway, a system that's rotating would a provide the distance necessary, an infinite distance, so that you can possibly accelerate the speed of light, and b you can look at using the sun as the energy source. You can provide a theoretical infinite amount of energy into the system, thus providing um, enough energy to accelerate up to the speed of light. The system should be lightweight, damn near negligible mass. Um, Further extent of the experiment would be to enlarge the system. Um, you could fix video cameras on the inside. You can, there are numerous um, there are numerous parts you can add onto the experiment, so you can measure relativistic effects that are incurred. To me, for my limited modern physics background, if you consider the fact that time is going to dilate, if you consider the fact that mass is going to increase, length is going to shorten or contract as you approach the speed of light, to me it sounds like you're transforming into energy. You're physically turning into, I wouldn't say transforming into a photon, but just overall, that's what it sounds to me like. And I think that the experiment should be conducted because to say that you can't accelerate faster than light, I'm not buying that. Maybe if you're trying to shoot a rocket off in one direction, no, I doubt that'll work. A little particle, kinetic energy transfer would definitely destroy a spacecraft object or whatever. But it's just an interesting idea I've been batting around, and I wanted to get other people's input. Maybe anybody out there that possibly has a stronger scientific background than me. I'm a fourth year engineering, mechanical engineering student, still going to school. So if anybody majored in physics that has a stronger background, again, let's bat around some ideas. Anybody with physics background can explain um, further physics. Um, and as an engineer, I can try to bat around ideas to actually incorporate into the physical experiments. Anyway, this is going to be an ongoing project. I've got a petition on change.org, a petition to the U.S. government to fund the building of America's first interplanetary spacecraft. I encourage people to go on, find it, and try to sign it. I'll try to post a link to that. Um, Feel free to comment or give any input, and let's see if we can nip this in the bud.